Rambler Ambassador. The elegance of the 30s on wheels. Picture this. You're rolling down a boulevard, all dressed up like it's the 30s, but with a twist of modernity. That, dear viewers, is what driving a Rambler Ambassador feels like. Now, most people wouldn't give a second thought to the Rambler Ambassador, assuming it to be another dead fish in the sea of classic cars. But that couldn't be further from the truth. This car was the equivalent of a well-tailored suit in an era obsessed with bell-bottom jeans and disco balls. The Ambassador wasn't just any car. It was a statement. It whispered elegance and screamed middle-class aspiration. And it did all of this while offering one of the most unremarkable driving experiences known to man. Let's be clear, this isn't a sports car. It's more of a rolling lounge room, set to the soundtrack of smooth jazz and infused with a hint of mothballs. Beneath the bonnet, you'd think there might be something special, a roaring beast or at least a purring kitten. But no, what you have is an engine that's more ham sandwich than filet mignon. The power output was there, in a theoretical sense, but let's just say you'd need a strong tailwind to really get moving. It's powered by a big, lazy V8 that makes about as much noise as a sedated bear and moves with roughly the same vigor. You press the gas pedal and the car seems to mumble out, "If I must." Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that could double as your grandmother's parlor. Plush seats that could swallow an NBA player. A dashboard filled with more faux wood than a cheap flat-pack dresser. And dials that look like they were designed by someone drunk on nostalgia. It's less car and more an homage to automotive indulgence. The handling? Hilarious. Approach a corner, and the Ambassador leans so far to starboard, you'll swear it's about to capsize. Steering feels more nautical than automotive, like you're piloting a yacht rather than driving a car. It's not so much about precision as it is about approximations. The brakes, meanwhile, offer all the reassuring feedback of a wet sponge. Yet, in its own bumbling way, the Rambler Ambassador gets under your skin. It's remarkably unapologetic about its very existence. It's a three-piece suit in a world of tracksuits. A call to better days, if you will, when cars had soul and character even if they didn't have much else. So, would I recommend it? Only if you have a sense of humor and a deep love for the absurdly charming. It's an experience, a story, and that perhaps is worth more than a 0-60 time any day of the week. Enjoyed that trip down motoring memory lane? Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive antics on Toycons. Plus, tap that bell icon so you won't miss out on our latest videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single mile of this journey.